everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's video is gonna give you the differences between the most common terms of computer science. So watch the full video to recollect the things that you learned in your computer classes. First, differences between hardwares and softwares. Hardwares include the physical parts that we can see and touch and are constructed using the physical materials. Softwares include the set of instructions or the codings we write to make the hardware work. We can't touch the software. Second, differences between algorithm and pseudocode. Algorithm is a systematic logical approach which is well-defined step-by-step procedure written as sentences in natural language like English. Pseudocode is the simple version of a programming code under natural language. It doesn't contain correct sentences or syntax, but the intermediate between the two. Third, differences between static and dynamic. Both static and dynamic terms are used in the case of variables, web pages, websites, etc. Static is something that is stationary or fixed and will not change. Dynamic means something that is capable of doing action or can change. Fourth, differences between C and C++. C is a structured or procedural programming language and does not support classes in objects. C++ is an object-oriented programming language that supports polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, and so on. Basically, C++ is the improved form of C. Fifth, differences between DBMS and RDBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System, which is used for storing or recording the data in an hierarchical format or file format without any relation between the data. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System, which is used for storing or recording the data which are related using a primary key. The data stored in RDBMS are in table format. Hope this video was an informative and useful one to you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.